Another case of whooping cough has been reported in our area. A student at a school in Mount Lebanon has come down with the disease. Bob Allen reports doctors tonight are emphasizing the importance of vaccinations.
Whooping cough is a contagious respiratory disease that can severely impact people who are not vaccinated. Recently, a student at Jefferson Elementary and Middle School in Mount Lebanon was diagnosed and treated for whooping cough, also known as pertussis.
As long as the children are vaccinated, there's minimal danger to the school population. The biggest risk we see are people with lung disease, asthma, COPD, anyone over the age of 65, and infants less than 6 months.
Chris Kipriotis has children who attend the school. He received a letter warning about whooping cough.
I'm worried for the kid who did develop symptoms, but as long as my kid's vaccinated and other kids are vaccinated, I don't think it has a chance of spreading, really.
Dr. Paremba says you can still contract the disease even with a vaccination, but he compares the symptoms to a cold or strep throat. Those who are not vaccinated run an even greater risk.
Again, this doesn't mean that they are going to get the pertussis or whooping cough. It means they are at higher risk of developing complications should they get it.
One of the most common complications can be bacterial pneumonia. The disease incubates 7 to 10 days and can be treated with antibiotics. Doctors say symptoms should be treated like the flu.
Cover your mouth, wash your hands, and the spread can be contained. Only close contacts associated with this child need to be prophylactically treated, and that's within 3 feet, namely household contacts.
To further ease the worries and concerns of parents here at Jefferson Elementary and Middle School, the principal says custodial crew will be here doing extra cleaning this weekend. Anyone with questions is asked to call the Allegheny County Health Department or their primary care physician. Bob Allen, KDKA News.